If you're someone who has income from salary along with capital gains from investments in domestic and foreign stock markets or crypto or bonds or from sale of land and property, then watch this video till the end to know how to file ITR-2 on ClearTax. We understand that filing income tax returns can feel like a complicated task because of the complex calculation of the long-term and short-term tax liabilities. But with ClearTax, this process is super easy and can be completed in few minutes. And not just that, with ClearTax, you don't really need to worry about choosing the correct ITR form, as ClearTax auto-selects the correct ITR form based on your income and investments, ensuring you and your family get maximum tax savings. Now, when we talk about capital gains, it includes a wide range of assets such as stocks, mutual funds, bonds and debentures, land, property, foreign stocks, jewelry, paintings, sculptures, digital golds, NFTs, virtual digital assets and cryptocurrencies. In addition to these assets, if you have income from trading and futures and options or F&O, then friends, you need to file ITR-3. ITR-2 filing is necessary for individuals who have taxable income of more than 50 lakhs or you have income from capital gains, multiple house properties, virtual digital assets or cryptocurrencies, NFTs, foreign assets, lotteries, online gamings or puzzles or agricultural income of more than 5,000 rupees or if you are an NRI. ClearTax streamlines your ITR filing with powerful features. 25 plus broker integrations are now live to instantly import thousands of capital gains and loss transactions, eliminating the manual data entry. Our system auto-populates capital gains tax liabilities and adjusts the losses against gains to reduce your taxes. ClearTax also handles complex scenarios like tax loss carryforwards, indexation, ESOPs, RSUs, and foreign assets effortlessly. For crypto investors, ClearTax supports tax filing through integration with 30 plus crypto exchanges. If you have foreign income, you can directly submit the necessary schedules as well. Our platform automatically selects the best ITR form and tax regime for your maximum tax savings. In case you get any notices, ClearTax offers notice management plans to guide you. Plus, our 24/7 AI support and video call assistance ensures you get help whenever you need it, making tax filing simple and stress-free with ClearTax. Now, to file ITR-2 on ClearTax. Firstly, go to our website cleartax.in and click on ITR filing. You can click on the link in the description as well to file the ITR. You can create a new account or simply click on login if you're already a user of ClearTax. To file your ITR, the first step is to link your PAN card. Linking your PAN will help us file your returns with the Income Tax Department. If you're filing with us for the first time, enter your PAN number and date of birth and click on Get OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and click on Verify OTP. After OTP verification, your PAN will be successfully linked. Now, it's time to prefill your details. Prefill is a process by which ClearTax will automatically fill 90% of your details and saves your time. To complete the prefill, click on the Proceed button, enter the OTP sent to your email and registered mobile number and click on Verify OTP. Here, you can see 90% of your personal details like name, father's name, gender, address, bank account, salary, TDS details, etc. from your previous employers already prefilled for you, making the tax filing process easy for you. You can review and edit these details as well. Now, click on the Upload Form 16 button. You will be redirected to a page where you can upload your Form 16 and auto-fetch your salary details. Your employer or company should have provided you with this form. You can still proceed directly to e-filing by clicking on Continue to e-file. Once the Form 16 is uploaded, click on Continue. ClearTax will then automatically calculate your income along with the exemptions, deductions, etc. based upon the details provided in Form 16. Now, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all your personal details like name, address, bank details, etc. Now, to file your capital gains taxes on ClearTax, simply head over to the income sources, navigate to capital gains income section and click on Add Details. Now, you need to go to the stocks and mutual fund section where you can see a list of all major stock market brokers. Here, simply click on the broker platform you want to file taxes for. Here, you have two options to file taxes. You can either click on Login and Import button, after which you simply need to log into your broker platform. And after successful authentication, ClearTax will automatically fetch report to fill in the details of your capital gains and calculate the correct tax liability in seconds. The other option is to click on the browse files and upload your tax P&L report. You can download this report from your broker's platform. To know how to download this report from your respective broker, you can click on the link in the description where we explain this whole process in detail. Or you can click on the detailed step to download file button as well. If you only have mutual funds investment, you can upload the CAMS and CARVIS report as well. Now, once you have done that, kindly click on browse file and upload the report. After uploading, ClearTax will then read your report to automatically fill in details of your capital gains and also intelligently segregate it into long-term and short-term capital gains. Similarly, if you're someone who trades in crypto, you can also file taxes on earnings from crypto. For that, simply go to the income sources section, scroll down and navigate to crypto income and click on add details. Select the crypto platform from the list of all the platforms, after which ClearTax will automatically sync your profile. Kindly enter the nickname of your choice and upload your files for each transaction year one by one. ClearTax will then automatically calculate your tax liability from your crypto or VD earnings. To know how to do this process for your respective broker, kindly click on the link in the description to watch our tutorial video. Now, if you have invested in foreign stocks, kindly go to the Foreign Assets US Stock section under the Capital Gains section where you can import data directly from your broker, or you can use our Excel templates in case your broker is not mentioned. You can watch our video where we explain this whole process in detail. You can find the link for that in the description as well. If you have gains from the sale of vested restricted stock units or RSUs and exercise stock options or ESOPs, you can go to stock options and RSU section and add details like type of stock options, date of sale and purchase, and add details of the assets, after which ClearTax will automatically compute your capital gains. Like, you can add details for the bonds, debenture or any other assets like jewelry or paintings as well. Now, if you have capital gains from the sale of multiple house properties, you can easily file taxes on them on ClearTax. Firstly, go to the capital gains income section under the income sources. Now, go to the sale of land or building and click on add entry. Here you can add details about your property like a date of sale, sale and purchase price, etc. You can click on the link in the description as well where we explain this whole process in detail. Similarly, if you have earned rent from your property or paid interest on home loan, then you can go to the house properties owned by you section and add details. Depending on whether you occupy the house or you have rented it out, you can enter all the details. If you own more than one property, you need to simply click on add details again and then repeat the same process. You can watch our video where I explain this whole process in detail. Business and professional income is not applicable in ITR-2. However, if you have any speculative income such as futures and options, ClearTax would have already calculated it if your broker provides intraday transactions in the P&L report as discussed earlier. You can see this under the other business income section. If you have an interest income that you may have earned in your savings bank's account or from your fixed deposit or any sources like PPF, then you can go to the interest income section and add your interest income. Your broker statement would already have the details of the dividend income and ClearTax would have already calculated it. Income from online gaming and lottery is a very common source of income. So, to file taxes on income from online gaming, you can simply go to the exempt online gaming and other income and under the online gaming lottery gifts and more section, click on add details. Now, it's time to claim all the deductions. If you have declared your investments to your employer, then most of your data would be prefilled here. You can review these details and add the other deductions details that may be missing. To add any details, simply navigate to the tax savings section and include any investments you have made. Most of these investments will be auto-filled, but you have an option to add them manually. For example, if you have invested in ELSS mutual funds, PPF, health insurance or NPS, you can add those as well. You can also claim deductions on the interest paid on home loans and educational loans. You can see all different kind of deductions that can be claimed by you on the screen. ClearTax also offers intelligent saving nudges to help save taxes from 15+ deductions. If you scroll down, you can find the tax paid section where you can see the details of the TDS and the advanced tax paid by you. Now click on the go to next where you can see a tax summary. Here you can see the details about your income, deductions and investments along with the ITR form. Although this year the default regime is a new regime, but ClearTax auto-selects the best tax regime for you to ensure you get maximum tax savings by analyzing your incomes and investments. You also have an option to compare the tax savings between the new versus the old tax regime and switch your tax regime as well. This section displays the refund amount you are eligible to receive, which will be deposited in your bank account in the coming weeks by the Income Tax Department. Once you are done reviewing all your details, you can click on the File Tax button. Now, you will be required to do a self-declaration that all the details mentioned by you are correct. Congratulations! Your e-filing is now completed and you will receive an acknowledgement number from the IT department. The last and the most important step is e-verification. Please note that without this step, it will be difficult for you to get any kind of refunds. Enter the OTP sent to you on your registered mobile number and click on Verify OTP, and your ITR filing is now officially completed. If you are eligible for any refunds, you will receive them in 30 to 50 working days from the Income Tax Department. So friends, that's how easy it is to file ITR-2 on ClearTax. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now. And for any kind of support related query, you can write to us on support@cleartax.in. And for more such informative videos, do like this video and subscribe to our channel.